stop looking for me to Petagaye. Yeah, steer too much. So. Hey guys, welcome back to my sister channel. My name is Chin. Sis. So guys, my name is Angel for all of you who don't know me. I'm Petagaye, small sister. So anyways, today I'm going to do a top-notch bun, guys. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share with you products you need to do this bun. You want to be cute, cutty, everything, you know, period poo. Okay, so normally I use the Gorilla Smart Gel Focus. Yes, you guys can get this at any local beauty store or whatever, but no, I'm using the Got To Be glue for the purpose of this video, really, and spritz so I can get my hair stiff, you know, and all of that. And I don't use hair oil in my hair, I use coconut oil. Yeah. And you guys gonna need hairpin just to secure your bun. You guys gonna need well, this is a bun, like make it all that socks and all of that, you know? Yeah. So if you guys want to see how I do it, if you do, it's gonna be like short, so you just cut the socks with down your foot and just roll it into a bun. Yeah. Last but not least, but comb, brush. You get it? So alright guys, so let's get into this video. So first guys, I'm like gonna comb out my ear and all of that. Sorry guys if you see anything flying. I'm combing my hair and cut it like from yesterday. Ooh, here now. Bitch, weird. You're tall, weird. I'm so annoying. Sorry guys. Anyways, combing up my hair and all of that. Guys, I'm gonna need schooling gel. Sorry. So I'm going to put some coconut oil in my hair right now. Get my hair all shiny. Dry. Where? Shiny. Here? I'm so crazy. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, do that now. So now, guys, just comb out your ear. That's all I really need to do. Comb out your ear.
The brush there, yeah, the brush.
Yeah. I got my brush, sis. Let me brush it out. Now I'm just brushing it to see where I want to put it, you know. I don't want to be too far up at the front of my head. So now so what I always do guys, I like use these small rubber bands to catch up my hair first, so that it can, like, you know, stay mess with and all of that. So catching first. Yeah. See that?
Wow.
Wow. So guys, I'm going to put the Got To Be in my hair. I'm not going to put too much because you're not supposed to use it on your natural hair, and my hair is prime or whatever, process or whatever. Thank you, sis. So just put it in, and I'm going to brush it. Brush it. Catch it up once more because I want this to like have a little wrap around it. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. the hair. So right now, guys, I'm going to use Petagaye pasta here.
Voila!
Give me the ear now. So guys, no, next one. So guys, this ear we're using, you can get it at any local beauty store. I think I only pay $1,000. Yeah, because I'm not going to use no natural. Yes, those that are like handle. It's called gold. Gold. Yes. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to take this air. Yes guys, so now I'm going to take a little piece out of it and I'm going to wrap it around my ear. Just wrap until you can feel it. And then I'm going to take this part of the hair and wrap my hair around. And wrap it around. Little piece of it, so you're going to wrap it around to secure it. Guys, you can wrap it tight. I'm not doing it really tight right now. I'm just, because either way, it's gonna look nice. Oh my god. So guys, so right now I'm going to like brush it out a little bit. I'm going to take, because it look dry, like really dry, so I'm going to take some of the hair oil and put in my hair. So guys, now I'm going to take the bun and put the hair through it. Oh, it's a struggle.
And through the bun.
I'm going to put the hair through it. Pushing the hair through the bun. The bun. So now guys, I got it through it. Right now, I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to spread the hair around the bun. Spreading the hair around the bun. And guys, because the hair is too tall, so I'm going to like part it right here, and then I'm going to wrap the hair around.
I'm trying to add the bun to the hair.
Guys, you don't want your bun to show, right? So you're going to make sure it's secured enough. like secure, right? So right now I'm going to take the hairpin and I'm going to pin it because you know what, nobody goes under the bun just take off, right? Or the bun is too heavy and just take it off.
I'm done. I'm sorry.
So I'm just pinning it. You know you gotta pin the hair to let it stay. Pin the hair to let it stay. Yes. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Are you gonna do the edges?
So guys, right now, see that? Take 5. So guys, to complete this look, I'm going to do my edges. So guys, right now I'm going to do my edges to finish up this look and all of that. So now, I'm going to use this toothbrush. Oh my god, I'm not showing you guys this toothbrush. And take out my edges. So yeah guys, this is the end look of it. You can comment and
Tell me what you think.
and tell me what you think. And if you guys wear this, you guys like tag me on Instagram, yourgirl_chain, will be down below in the description or on the screen. So yeah guys, so this is the end of the video guys. So remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to my sister channel. Bye.
Bye.